over the years, it's sort of half government, half, you know, you guys do it. So but it's sort of primarily, so the way it works is that you invest your money, and the government matches